In 1572, the Grand Duke of Tuscany, Cosimo I de' Medici, commissioned Giorgio Vasari to build a new palace in the Tuscan city of Arezzo. The result was the Palace of the Loggia that still dominates the principal piazza of the city, the Piazza Grande. And what you see is this Mannerist style facade of both palace and loggia combined. And so it looks like a freestanding loggia, but in reality, it is a series of arches projecting from a wall and in turn supporting the palace, which is located up above. 10 arches to one side, 9 to the other, under which today we have shops and bars and cafes, which actually put out their wares and celebrate the great Renaissance artist Giorgio Vasari. And don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rocky's Italy, so that you don't miss out on any of this great content that we're filming here directly in Italy and publishing weekly.